Hello everyone, I am JD Solanki and this is introduction video to CSS Grid Layout. Because it is an introduction video, so if you don't understand what it contains, don't worry, we will cover it all in our course. So first of all, what is CSS Grid Layout? CSS Grid Layout is a 2D grid system. It will completely change how we build our layout. Like tables, it gives you columns and rows to work with. It will divide your page into regions. To use CSS Grid Layout, we need a grid container, and this container is basically a set of horizontal and vertical lines. Respecting these vertical and horizontal lines or rows and columns, elements are placed. If we take a little help of developer.mozilla.org, then CSS Grid Layout gives fixed and flexible track size, item placement, creation of additional tracks to hold content, alignment control, control of overlapping content. So let's understand this. First, fixed and flexible track size. You can create fixed size tracks using pixel unit, or to create a flexible size there is a FR unit. Don't worry if you don't know how this gonna work, we will cover it later. Next, item placement. As the name suggests, it is how you place item in your grid. The third one is creation of additional tracks to hold content. Sometimes when CSS Grid Layout will add contents automatically if it doesn't fit to your defined tracks, then you can also deal with that using CSS Grid Layout properties. We will also cover it in this course. Alignment control. It means how you align items in your tracks or your tracks inside your container. It is a bit confusing, but don't worry, it will be completely normal when you will progress through this course. Last one is control of overlapping content. So this means you can also do overlapping with CSS Grid Layout and use Z-index property, which is provided by CSS, to create some cool effects with overlapping. So here's the end of introduction video to CSS Grid Layout, and in the next lecture we are gonna see terminology. See you in the next.